Hire video tutorials. Step by step. Troubleshooting for common washing machine failures. Has one of these error codes come up on your washing machine display? If it has, I will explain step by step how to correct the fault and get your machine working again. Error 1. The door has not been properly closed. Please open the door and close it again carefully, making sure that nothing is blocking it. Error 2. The next error sign informs you that water is not draining properly. If the rinse button is illuminated, press and hold to turn the light off. The drainage hose may be blocked. Lay the hose on the floor and check if water will flow out of it. If water doesn't flow out of it, please clean the hose. Place some towels on the floor before laying the hose down, as water may drain out of the hose. Please check at what height the drainage hose is connected up to the drain in the wall. The height of the drainage hose should be between 80 cm and 100 cm. The next step is to check if the drainage filter is blocked. Open a flap using a screwdriver and pull it towards yourself. Pull out the small rubber pipe, placing a vessel underneath to catch any water that may flow out of the washing machine. Take the stopper out of the small rubber pipe and wait for all the water to flow out. Put the stopper back in the small rubber pipe and push the pipe back inside the washing machine. Next, take the filter out by unscrewing it counterclockwise. If you can't unscrew it with your fingers, please carefully use pliers to do so. Wash the filter under running water. Put the clean filter back in the opening and screw back in. Make sure that the filter is tightly screwed in to prevent water escaping onto the floor. Error 4. The heating element of the appliance has gone faulty, or too much weight has been put in the washing machine. Take the washing out of the machine and then put it back in. Error 5 will show up when water does not flow into the washing machine. Check if the dial is set to the correct program. If it isn't, please set it to the correct program. Is the water inlet connection turned on? Is the inlet hose kinked or blocked? Check if the water hose is blocked. Please clean the inlet pipe. The door has not been properly shut. Please open the door and close it again carefully. Is the water pressure too low, less than 0.3 MPa? Turn the water connection on and wait for the water pressure to build up. Error 12. This is an error of the water level sensor in the dryer. Please check if the clothes are wet and if there is water in the drum. Try to turn on the drying program again. Unbalanced feature. Take the washing out of the appliance and place in the drum again evenly. Is there enough washing in the appliance? If there is just one item in your washing machine, such as a sheet or jumper, please add 1 or 2 extra items to even out the load. You should be able to turn the drum inside the washing machine around without anything inside it. If it won't, please contact a technician who will check your appliance. If one of these errors appears on your display, please contact our customer care center. We will send out a technician to service your washing machine. Still having problems? Please contact us.